The Belgian UFO Wave Introduction. Forget isolated incidents. This is the story of a sustained national phenomenon that defied military explanation. For over a year, Western Europe was gripped by the Belgian UFO Wave. Part 1. The Silent Triangle Date, starting November 1989. Location: Eastern Belgium, particularly the Liège region. Night after night, thousands of citizens reported the same terrifying sight. Not a saucer, but something vast, dark, and utterly silent. Witnesses described a huge equilateral triangular object, almost boomerang-shaped, gliding at impossibly low altitudes. It had 3 powerful lights at its corners, often red or amber, and a single white strobe at the center. The key feature? Complete silence. A craft of that size, moving that low, should have roared, but there was only the sound of the wind. Part 2. The Night of the Intercept. The crisis peaked on the night of March 30th to 31st, 1990. It began with multiple police patrols in the Liège area. They weren't just witnesses, they became pursuers. They watched the gigantic triangle perform maneuvers that seemed to defy physics: instantaneous acceleration, sudden stops, and direction changes without any discernible inertia. The police reports, logged meticulously, confirmed each other's incredible accounts. The Belgian Air Force could no longer stand by. They scrambled 2 of their best fighters, F-16s. Part 3. The Impossible Target. The pilots quickly established radar lock. The objects were real, physical targets. But what the radar showed was impossible. The UFOs displayed speeds ranging from a mere 100 kilometers per hour to over 1,700 kilometers per hour, 1,700 km/h. And they could change their altitude, moving from 300 meters to 3,600 meters in mere seconds. The F-16s, cutting-edge machines of their time, were helpless. Pilots attempted to establish a radar lock for a missile launch, but the object's acceleration was so extreme, so instantaneous, that they could never be held in the targeting reticle. The UFOs would simply vanish and reappear on the radar screen. No visual confirmation was ever made by the pilots. They were chasing ghosts that left physical radar trails. Conclusion: the unexplained file. The Belgian wave generated over 13,000 reports. The investigation, led by Major General Wilfried de Brouwer of the Belgian Air Force, was exhaustive. In their final conclusion, the Belgian military acknowledged that the majority of the sightings remained entirely unexplained. Major General de Brouwer definitively stated that the objects tracked by the F-16s cannot be identified and cannot be explained by current scientific knowledge. This was not a mistake. This was a failure to comprehend. The Belgian UFO wave remains a gold standard in UAP documentation. 1,000 eyewitnesses backed by the unforgiving data of military radar. A silent, massive technological mystery that proved beyond a doubt that we are not alone in our skies.